the cauliflower pizza crust my way. So I have these cauliflower florets grated. I have some cheese. I will be adding more in just a sec. Then one full egg, and this is going to be our base. You can add salt, pepper, and any seasoning you like. I'll be adding salt and pepper, and some basil, like the dried basil, like something like this. You can add whatever seasoning you like. Okay, so added more cheese. Now I will be mixing this, and then I'll be adding the spices and the seasonings. Mixing with hands is a much better option. So I have my parchment paper ready, I have my oven preheated, and I have my mixture ready. So now I've shifted this mixture into my sheet, and now even if you want or you don't want, you need to and you have to use your hands for this. So I'll have to do it off camera, but I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so I used my both my hands to make this into a thin circle. You can see it needs to be as thin as possible, but at the same time not too thin, because when you bake this it should not crumble. So also you need to make sure that there's no liquid, because too much liquid will mess with this. And yeah, this is pretty much done, and we will be baking this. It depends on how much time it takes. First we'll bake it for 10 minutes, and then we'll see how the crust is and how it's looking, and then we will adjust accordingly. So now this looks half done, and now I will be flipping this and then baking it on the other side. Okay, so the both sides have been cooked. Now I will flip it again, because that was our original side, and then I will be adding the toppings. So the sauce, some mozzarella cheese, we will be adding more, but let me add some meat on top. You can use whatever topping you like. Some onions, my favorite jalapenos. Okay, now I will be adding more cheese on top. Okay, so this is done, and it's now ready to go to the oven again. So let's give it 10 more minutes. Our cauliflower pizza is ready. This is done. Let me plate this. Okay, so I'm not going to share this with anybody, hence just 4 pieces all for me. But just look at this, it's a bit falling apart. I'll fix that, but look at this. This is the perfect pizza for all of those health conscious people. Please do try and let me know how you find it.